What's going on, YouTube? R2R Moto here, and tonight I'm feeling good. It's about 40 degrees outside right now. I think like 45. Got off of work a couple of hours ago. Had a spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes, which, by the way, if you believe that Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich is not better than Chick-fil-A's, you got problems. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is basically about the status of my channel and YouTube's new regulations. So, the way I look at it, I haven't really done a lot of research into the regulations, but I've watched a couple of videos talking about really what they outline and what they're basically going to be about. And I'm not going to go into the full thing, but basically what's happening with the new YouTube regulations is that it's requiring everyone to basically tell them whether or not your channel is for kids or not, and basically so they can effectively market it and deal with I forget the name of the thing, but it's like this rules type of committee for basically children. So the big thing with this is that with YouTube, you have to basically, for every video, tell them whether or not that video is made specifically for kids. And with that, if you are found to have content that's basically being made for kids but you say you're not, that can get you fined up to $40,000, people are saying. So obviously motorcycling, not kids content, so don't really have anything to worry about there, but still motorcycling in general means no monetization, which I didn't get into YouTube for trying to make money or anything like that, or trying to be famous or anything. Honestly, I mostly just make videos for myself and for friends to watch, just in off time, to just laugh at the things I do. I don't really get up to any stupid shit yet. If you've ever watched the YouTube channel the C-Boys TV, I would love to do stuff like that with motorcycle related content. Just get like a group of friends together and do stupid shit on motorcycles. But regardless, what this whole video is basically about is that YouTube also, with those new regulations, it's being speculated that they're going to be getting rid of a lot of their channels. And a lot of people are saying that the channels that are going to be going are the ones that YouTube doesn't monetize. So channels with like less than 1,000 subs, channels with like not a lot of watch hours, and just honestly I don't understand it fully, because then it doesn't make any sense to me how you become a monetized channel at that point. If they're deleting non-monetized channels, like, how do you ever get to the point where your channel gets monetized? Because then you just get your channel deleted. Is it based on the amount of time you've been on YouTube not monetized? I don't know. So basically what I've come to learn from this is that it's looking like my days are numbered for my channel. So I pulled over to give my hands a little bit of a rest from the cold. But basically what I was saying is that it basically means my days on YouTube are numbered. So I think at the current time I'm making this video, I have 21 subscribers. And honestly, I really appreciate all of you guys who have been watching the content, who have actually subscribed and liked the videos and things like that, because it really does show that, at least besides the fact that I'm just making this content for shits and giggles, is that some people are actually enjoying the content and want to see more in the future. So it really does push me to continue to go out and ride and make these videos. Like right now, I wasn't planning on going out and making this video, but I try to put out one video a week and I haven't filmed one yet. And it's cold, but I know you guys, at least some of you, hopefully all of you, will be watching this video, and I really, like I said earlier, really do appreciate it. Now I'm gonna hop back on because my hands seem to be ready to go. So let's get back on the road. So basically I'm just making this video really just to say I don't know what's going to happen with the new YouTube regulations. I don't fully know all there is about them. If you guys want to learn more, there are plenty of videos out there. But basically I want to tell you guys thank you for watching the content, subscribing to the channel. If you're new here and watching this video for the first time, if you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe to see more in the future, as long as I do have a channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one, because these rules are supposed to take effect in 2020, and it's got a little bit of time left. It's like, what, November 20th right now, so we got a little bit of time left, more videos to come. So yeah, I've been R2R Moto. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.